Hi, this is Sumit, and I'm from Indian Institute of E-commerce. I always wanted to export something which can give serious profits without me investing my time and energy. And I think one opportunity is there for you also, and that is what exactly I'm doing, is exporting dietary supplements using e-commerce store. So I have myself been running my own successful e-commerce company, and I have also been running an institute where I guide people how they can start their own. So I'll be showing my own e-commerce store, my own product, and how much sales I'm getting, what products we can sell in which country at what price, and how much money we can make using exports of these dietary supplement products, how much big is the market, and how you can get started without you leaving your job or stopping your existing business. This can be a side hustle which can actually become a full-time business in future. And what I'm giving you can be a big startup which you can start today, and eventually you will see that this can have a more bigger valuation than all the businesses, all the investments, all the things that you have together. For example, if you invest in a real estate property, the appreciation of that property is subject to market risk, subject to market's growth. Same way it goes with mutual funds or stock market. But when it comes to startup, with the right mentorship and guidance, you will be able to make the business profits 100x, 1000x. Trust me, people are doing it. You know, already big brands are there which are already doing it, and you can also do it. There's no harm in starting a business which is costing you nothing, right? So why not learn the art and start a business today? Now let's explore the opportunity. So here we go. This is the all-in-one program. I'm going to give you guaranteed e-commerce sales. I'll give you the buyers database. I'll give you the plug-and-play e-commerce store builder. I will also give you the mentorship support. Everything included in a single program. You will learn digital marketing. You will learn sales. You will get this government-approved certification. What are you seeing right now is basically a bundle of 17 different certifications as part of the single program. Everything included in this single program. You do not have to pay anything extra, whether you want to learn export import or digital marketing, or want to apply this strategy on how to build your own e-commerce store and beautify that store. You're going to get the 17 certificates as part of the bundle, and I'm going to give you practical training on a regular basis by myself, and my team will be there to assist you regularly. You will learn video-based lectures, instructor-led training, and you will be learning practical training that comes with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. I want you to become part of my program so that you can build a highly successful e-commerce business. So even if you're a student, working professional, business owner, or a freelance consultant, this can be a great opportunity. And we have always been there in news, and my students are already successful. They have given very good reviews to us. These are some of the recorded contents, plus live classes, plus ebooks and white papers, case studies, which we have created in partnership with companies like Amazon, with Alibaba. And these programs will help you to learn how you can sell on Amazon effectively, how you can export using Alibaba, and how you can start your own e-commerce store and do exports from that also. E-commerce is a big business. I'll show you the exact step-by-step method how you can do it. But first, I was just showing you about the course. Still, I'm showing you a little detail about me. My name is Sumit. I have worked with Alibaba Group China and Amazon India. I have been the global director and partner for ATES and EGTP program at IIC. And IIC is Indian Institute of E-commerce. This is a Section 8 registered non-profit organization as a public-private partnership with Government of India. So the program and the certification is fully valid. And all these entrepreneurs who are there, they have been learning from me. So I can just tell you that you can trust on the quality of the training that you'll be getting. Institute is fully affiliated with AICTE, Tata Institute, and EDII. Alibaba and Amazon are partners. You can actually click on see the agreements which are already there with them. So everything is credible and legit. This is my profile. You can check out my details under the team section here, and there are other experts and mentors who are also there to guide you. So these are all people who are there for IIC's support so that we can teach you. And as Indian Institute of E-commerce, since 2015 till now, we have done great amount of job in terms of exports, in terms of training entrepreneurs. What you are going to get from me in this program today, I'm going to give you a fully functional plug-and-play e-commerce export business of nutraceuticals and dietary supplement. Before I proceed with this, I'll show you some statistics and facts. For example, if you see nutraceuticals, Shilajit for an example, you see that 20,000 sales in Amazon.com. I'm showing in dollar value, $40, 20,000 sales in a month. People have bought. That means about $800,000 worth of sales has been done. That means almost about 7 crore rupees somebody has made just selling Shilajit on Amazon.com in just 1 month. Now just think this is one of the product of dietary supplements. There are many such supplements, right? and I'm just searching about something which is Indian supplement. Now, same if you search about dietary supplement in itsy, you can see many such supplements are there, and there are 3,200 positive reviews for this. A lot of these supplements we even do not know about. So if you see itsy.com, there are many dietary supplements which are there. A lot of them we don't know. They may be for children's health, women's health, men's health, or different types of health related issues that we have. Sometimes we need something herbal, sometimes people want immediate solution, people want to try many things so that they can get vital. Now this is Rakuten, this is Japan's website, and here also you see many of these diet supplements are listed here. Same way, if you see Rakuten, products are in Japanese, but products are getting sold. Now, if you see Lazada, that is Singapore's website, here also you can see the number of sales that's happening. 3,600 sold, 1,700, 2,500, 7,400. That means health supplements, especially dietary supplements, will always be in demand. Interestingly, if you see this website, that is noon.com, that is Dubai's website, here also one common thing is that a lot of products are directly sold from India to Middle East countries, and these products also have very good sales in those countries. So my high recommendation is to get into a business of nutraceuticals and dietary supplements, because these products will always remain in the market. And this is very easy to sell on social media, using Instagram, using your own website. If you are having a good health, you can simply get started with a nutrition brand of your own, and you can start selling them through your own brand, through your own e-commerce store. There are many people who are having their own brands which are private labeled. You do not require to buy those products. There are suppliers who are manufacturing them. You can just have them packaged under your own brand name and start selling them. You can also do B2B, that is the bulk sales, and you can make great amount of profits in bulk exports of these nutraceuticals products to the global market. A lot of these things are just general health tonics and health powders and capsules and tablets which have got next to no side effect. Since these are side effect free products, so more people are interested for these kind of supplements. Of course, there are some products which may have side effect, but since you will be starting this nutraceuticals brand, you can actually think of brain tonics and products which can be helpful for sugar control, for heart, for liver, for organs, for even supplements that can be good for making better body, skin, hair health. There are many different things that people want to make themselves better with. So all these dietary supplements list that I'm showing you right now, we will be able to find the suppliers. I'll be giving you the entire B2B e-commerce business model with the right mentorship and guidance. I'm very confident that you just follow the step-by-step process and you will see a great amount of profits you'll be able to make in this. Annually, you can make crores of rupees. In the worst case scenario, you can still make much more profits than your job. Even if you're making 8 to 10 lakh rupees per month, I think you can quit the job, you can skip whatever you're doing, and you can focus full time into doing this business or not. Yes, of course you can do. And that's the power of e-commerce and exports using e-commerce. So I'll be giving you the store builder, as I told you, where you can customize these different themes which I'm showing you. For example, one of the demo store I'm showing you right now, this is a health and wellness e-commerce store which is especially designed for dietary supplements. So you can see good number of reviews. This is how one of the website which we are running is there. Same way, you can actually start your own e-commerce store. I'll be connecting you to the suppliers, and you can simply start with the plug and play store builder. Now, what I'm going to give you is more interesting. The mentorship I'm giving you the e-commerce store builder. Here, this is my own brand called Shripur, and I'm already making sales. Now, what you see here, I already have 65 categories and about 8,341 different products already listed, and I'm already selling. Now, with this e-commerce store builder, you can design the products, website, look, everything non-technical, you can do it. It's very easy. And apart from that, I'm also giving you more than 70 plus e-commerce related plugins like Facebook advertisement plugin, Google Analytics plugin, AdWord plugin. So you can make the website even better, more functionalities, and upgrade this website and make it as a pro level website. And not only that, you will have your own domain name. You just have to get your own domain name, whatever the domain you like. You can name yourname.com, and you can have your own staff. If you have any number of people you want to join, add those people. You can directly collect payment into your bank account. It's not some kind of Amazon kind of marketplace. It's your own 100% owned e-commerce store that you will be having, your own domain and the store. So the store will be given by me to you. and you can connect your domain that is yours and simply get started with the e-commerce business. I have also integrated AI in this so that with doing the search engine optimization, which is AI enabled, you will be in the top of the Google search and you will be able to make great amount of profits. These are some of my analytics. Like, I'm doing B2B sales, so I'm showing you that how much I'm able to make profit. Same way you can also do. Now this is easy to do business. I have got many other niche businesses, but pharmaceuticals, especially in pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, that is dietary supplements and products, have got super amazing demand. So I want you to venture into nutraceuticals and dietary supplement related products. And with this ready-made plug and play business opportunity, I could have actually charged you at least 50 lakh rupees for such a big business opportunity, because this will give you crores of rupees. But since I am mainly passionate for this, I have my own business and I'm looking for business partners who can work along with me. So I'm just giving them at this cost to cost basis so that you can just get started with this. And your expense is next to zero in this, because you're mainly working as a middleman. You're working on the B2B aspects of nutraceutical exports. So with this ready-made plug and play business, the only cost is the mentorship cost, the e-commerce store builders cost, and some cost will go towards the buyers database and other expenses which are like softwares and tools which are there from my side, and the live training and support that I'm giving you. So all these things included itself will be costing more in the market. Nobody is giving such kind of service, but I made sure that you can actually start your career with this plug and play ready-made business opportunity. So in next 3 or 4 months maximum, you'll be able to start and build your e-commerce business. If you follow the process step by step, I'm very confident that with doing B2C sales also, you'll make good amount of profits. And if you do B2B, then you can make millions. So don't think so much. This is an amazing business opportunity. This will actually transform your full life. And don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be here to assist you and help you. And one thing, as I told in the beginning of the session, running a startup of your own is always going to make you a very successful person in life, because a startup cost what? Just a basic amount of money in terms of the store and the right mentorship guidance and some support that will give you this store and all these things. Hardly any investment is there. And this investment, if you properly multiply by following the steps that I'm giving you, you can make more profits than any other investment that you have done so far in your life, whether it is real estate or a stock market investment. Here, it's going to be more better investment than even Bitcoin or any other thing, because here you are making crores of rupees of sales in a month itself, because I have shown you some statistics and facts of other people who are just selling one product like Shilajit, and they are making crores of rupees of profit in a month itself from Amazon.com. If they are able to do it, why not we can do it? So I will be giving you my guidance and support, and you follow your smart mind. And with this, we will make it a highly successful, lucrative business, and you may be full-time entrepreneur with this. And this can be the game changer opportunity that you are looking for. So join us today, be part of IIC's e-commerce revolution. Let's make India great again.